Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's video, we will show you how to fix Can't Remove Pin in Windows 11. Click on Windows icon on the taskbar. The menu will pop up. Click on Settings. Select Accounts from the left side list. Go to Sign In Options. Look for Additional Settings block. Find For improved security, only allow Windows Hello Sign In from Microsoft accounts on this device option. Turn the switch off next to it. Click on Pin option. Look for Remove this sign-in option. Click on Remove. Click on Remove again. Enter your Windows password in the pop-up window. Click OK. There's another way to remove pin. Click on Windows icon on the taskbar. The menu will pop up. Click on Settings. Select Accounts from the left side list. Go to Sign-in Options. Click on Pin option. You can use Restore your PIN option. Click on I forgot my PIN. A new window will open. Click on Continue. Enter new PIN and confirmation. Click OK. The PIN is gone. You can click on Setup to enable PIN. Enter your Windows password in the pop-up window. Click OK. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!